Hi guys, and welcome to another video where today I'm super excited because 2 boxes arrived and I think they're what I think they are. So, I think they're fidget spinners. Well, I know they're fidget spinners. I can see through the package. And I said I'd do an unboxing with you, and yeah, here we go. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, it's gone all wrong. That's okay. This is a very cool looking fidget spinner. It feels plastic, but I think it's metal. It's really hard to tell, but this is a cool looking one. Can I feel it? Let's see how it spins. Oh. Okay, this is gonna spin for a long time. It's not that heavy, surprisingly. It's not that heavy, and I like the color on it. It's not that heavy. I think it'll spin for a long time. This one is actually a little bit bigger. It could probably fit in your pocket, but I like this one. It's very cool. The next one, this is mighty hard to open. There's plastic on it. Mighty hard to open. So, okay, see? This one definitely feels metal. It's heavier than the other one. It's a very cool looking shape. And let's see how this one spins. Oh, this will spin for a long time. Yeah. It looks really cool when it spins. It is stable, which I didn't check on the other one. I'll check that in a minute. It is stable. I really like this one. I mean, great. It can fit in your pocket. This is my favorite one so far. Alright guys, those are my 2 new fidget spinners. Let me see if this one's stable.
It's only 2 minutes on.
Oh, yeah, this one's stable. Like, if I try to move my finger, it won't really. Yeah. So, my sister Allie is filming. May I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Would you like to come try?
Who's gonna film? Okay.
Which one you want to try?
Silver one. I can't push this up like this, and you can't cover it with your thumb. You need to push it up like this.
Oh, there we go. Okay. There we go. Look at that fidget spinner. Right? Awesome.
Can I set the other one?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, this one feels plastic, but...
I know, but I think it's metal. It feels plastic, but I think it'll spin so long, I think it's metal.
Sorry about this, guys. The case on the iPad.
Well,
I'm gonna
guys,
have to film with mine
those
next
are
time.
my 2 new fidget spin. Actually, I'm going to see which one spins longer. Let's go to my desk. Here's some of my other fidget spinners.
There's other fidget spinners. Two over there. Right,
so,
but let's focus on his new ones.
Ready? Oh, these are going to spin a long time.
Entertain them.
So, guys, look what I got. A mini Nerf ball and a mini Nerf hoop for my closet.
Whoa! Oh, that almost made here. Then we get a better shot.
We're seeing how long we can fidget spinners spin. We have to be a little bit quieter because my dad is working. Totally forgot about that. I'm just so excited about my new fidget spinners.
Oh, I thought the gray one stopped. It looked like it, but it's still going over there.
I'm just shooting some back.
This is his hoop. Oh, yeah. So the time is currently...
I think the silver one's going to spin.
12:30, so...
Okay, back to the fidget spinners.
Okay.
I think the silver one's going to spin a lot longer. But
looks like it. Because this one's kind of slowing down, but this one's still going.
This one is my best looking.
Look on the camera at the silver one. It looks like it's going really slow. But it's actually going fast.
This one is still at like full speed. This one
Yeah,
is
this one is kind of getting slower, but this one is still going. I don't think it's slowed
down. A lot of people say they
down.
don't like the feeling of this one. I actually really kind of like it.
There's like dots like on the camera.
There's dots on the camera?
Like look at the wall. Like look at the wall.
Okay, this one, my blue one is going down.
It's slowing down. Here, I'll get a close-up shot. That's the silver one.
That's the blue one.
And that's the blue one. Let's see.
Oh, I think that one's going to slow down. I think my silver one.
Oh, that one got a lot slower. Let's see. This one looks like it's going to win, but... Oh, the silver one won.
The silver one is the power.
Spins a lot longer.
Well, these are two great fidget spinners that are really cool.
Show
this
them
one
the
will
other
spin
one.
for about 5 minutes. This will spin for about...
Maybe 3. No.
Yeah, 3.
About 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
But let's look at your other fidget spinners.
Allie, this is not about the video.
There's still a lot of time left.
It's okay. And that's going to end this video because we need to go eat some food. And I will see you guys later. Bye!
Bye! Fidget spinner time. Bye, guys.